Think building a website is complicated? Think again. Canva isn't just for designing posts, it's your secret weapon for crafting a stunning, professional website in minutes, no coding required, and no stress. Stick around because I'm about to show you how to create a website that's as easy as dragging and dropping, but looks like $1,000,000. First things first, you need to head over to the home page of your Canva. Just head over to canva.com. Now in here you can see this. So what you can do is you can just click onto this website option that we can see right here. Once you have done that, this will open the design website for you. So just wait for that to load, and in here it will show you this blank page or blank website already been added. Now, don't worry because there are a lot of templates that you can choose from Canva, and it will also show you some suggestions. So this is actually depending on what type of website you want. For example, let's build a store. So let's click on store right here and let's search for that. Now you can choose in here a store that you want to use or a store template that's already been added. So for this one, I'll head over and then just choose this. What you can do is you can click on it. After that, click on this apply all pages. Now, as you can see, these pages will be added one by one. And now it's all been added now. Now let's exit this right here in order to focus to the whole website. Let's close this template right here. And now we have this. So we have the first page, second, third, fourth, and fifth. So they actually have 5 pages, but if you want, you can add some more. So what you can do in this case is to just personalize the website that you have. So let's personalize this. So it's called Shagon Online. So let's rename it into our own brand. So for example, let's rename it to Tiara Dresses. And then in here, as you can see, we have now the title name, but you can also add a logo if you would want to. Now for this one, you can also change the text for this as well as this button. But the first thing that we need to do as well is to just change the background that we have right here. So in order to do that, you can head over right here to your elements and then search in here for the desired background. For this one, since we're selling dresses, I'll search in here for the element of dress. I'll head over right here to the photos and then just find in here a photo that I want to use as the background. I'll choose this one. Then as you can see, it's now been added. Now in order to make this the background, you can just right click on the photo that you have added and then click on this replace background. Now as you can see, it's been added to the background, but there's sort of a white tint right here. Now in order to remove that, you can just click on any part of the page, right click on that, scroll down and click on this layers and click on the show all layers. Now you should be able to see these layers that you have right here onto our first page. So since we want to remove this first image, we can click on that image right here and then click on the 3 dots, then click on this delete option. Now as you can see, it's been deleted. Now the first thing that we notice once already been settled is that these parts are actually not so visible anymore. This because we come from the dark background and white text into this white background and white text. So in order to adapt to that, what we can do is we can change the color of this. So let's click onto this text color icon and then let's change it into our desired color. So let's choose this brown right here and let's click on this change all in order to reflect this change. Now as you can see, we have now sort of an earth tone going on within the first page of our website. If you want to add more elements, you can head over and go right here to the elements. Like for example, if you want to add a social media icon, you can head over and search in here for that. And then it will show you some graphics right here. We have in here this graphics. You can just head over and add those graphics that we have right there. Like for example, if you want to add this, you can just click on it, resize it, and you can also change up the colors for this one. So for example, let's change it into our website's color theme, which is brown. Let's change it into that. And then as you can see here it is, now we can just move it wherever we want it added. So for example, let's add it right around here. And in order to add a text to your website, just click onto this text icon, then click onto this add text box. And in here, just add in here which one you want. So for example, let's put in here this Instagram. And then you can also make this smaller to fit the feel of your website and then just move it right around here. Now, in order to link your Instagram into your website, you can click onto this icon or to this both icon right here that we have. Let's just merge those two together and group them. Now, once they've been grouped, you can head over and click onto these three dots and you can scroll down and you can head over and then use this particular options right here. Alternatively, you can also click on it and then you can see in here a URL option. Just click on the URL option and in that way, once someone has actually added or click onto this particular emoji, they will be redirected to your Instagram. Now, next thing for this is let's actually edit out this. So this our about page. Let's name this about and then you can put in here this text. So for example, let's remove this for now. And then let's use Magic Write in order to add something. So click onto this text and go over to Magic Write. And then let's generate something, like for example, about info of tiara dresses. Click onto this generate option. And then after that, this will generate info for us. So you can actually change it into what you want. For example, you want to make it smaller or shorter. Let's click on this spot. Let's put in here shorter and click on this generate again in order to make your about info shorter. Now, if you're satisfied with this one, click onto this replace option and now it's been added right here. You can just position it. Now, let's also change this image right here. Let's click onto our elements again and then let's search for dresses again. Actually, you can also upload a media that you already have, but since I don't have any media, I can just go right here and then just add in here a dress that I want to use. So I'll just choose in here one that actually gets my courage right here. Let's choose one. So we have in here this dresses. What you can do is you can just choose which one you want to use as well. For example, let's choose this and then let's just drag it into here and as you can see, it's now been added. Now let's scroll down and in here we have in here what we offer. So for example, let's name this into products. And then you can add in here the product that you want. Just head over again to your elements or to your uploads and then add the picture of the products that you offer. For example, let's add this, and then let's also add this one. And then let's just drag it right around here again in order to add this to our particular design. So now I have added these images. So what we can do is we can click onto these icons right here and we need to put them above the images in order to make them visible. Now let's turn them white and it will look like this right now. Now let's head back and then click onto these three dots and then head over to layers. Click onto the show layers option right here. Now just click onto this particular text and then click onto this text color and then change in here the text color that you want to use. And now we have this. Now for this one, we have in here as well this. So if you don't want this particular page, you can click onto this trash can icon and you can remove it. Now we have in here our contact information. What we can do is you can head over and then add in here another photo that we want to use for this one. So head over and then just choose one that you want to use. For example, let's use this. Then right click on here again, click on this replace background. And we have the same scenario. So just click on this, right click, click on layers, click on show layers, and then remove this particular part of your page. Now, as you can see, it's now been added. Now, you can just edit this contact information that we have right here in order to fit your own contact information for your website. Now, we need to add a navigation menu. So, if you click on the share icon, and for example, if you want to publish your website, it will show you up with this error right here. You can't include navigation menu. Now, in order to include that, what we can do is we can click onto this thumbnail view And then from in there, you should be able to see this. So just right click, scroll down, and you should be able to see the option for your notes. Click onto this notes right here. We have in here page titles. For example, let's name this page 1 is the home. Page 2 will be the about page. Page 3 will be the product page. Page 4 will be the contact page. Now, once you have named that, they will be added. Now, from in there, what we can do next is we can just right click on any which one of them, and you can actually add in here a transition or animation if you would want. So if you want something like that, you can head over and then do those right here. Just click on animate. And then once you have clicked on that, just choose in here the animation that you want and just apply this to all pages. Once you're done, click onto this publish website. Click onto this and make sure that these two are checked and click on this publish website option. And then this will publish your website. You can just wait for this to finish the publishing option. And then once it's finished, you should be able to see it's been running right now. Click onto this view website, and then this will load and it will show you the website that we have designed for just 10 minutes. So we have in here a homepage with all of the animations necessary right here, and we have the navigation as well. So it looks professional and good to the eye. So that's all there is today. I hope you learned a lot, and if you like some more Canva tutorials, you can head over and subscribe to the channel. By the way, I left you a little something in the description below. I left you a free template that you can use for your own personal reasons. You can just duplicate that and then use it. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out. Thanks again.